Wizard of West LA here. In times like this, maybe you just want to dream. So we're talking about virtual reality. Much like the other headset we were talking about, this headset is very interesting in that everything is built in and you do not need your mobile phone. And what it does is the headset is basically an Android-driven mobile phone. And it has a chargeable battery and everything inside it. So let's take a look at it. But before we start, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and also do not forget to subscribe. So let's take a look. This headset, besides the ability to watch movies, as you can see from the box, it does have Hulu, Netflix, everything on it, and a lot of activities, from being a daredevil and looking at skydiving to just still pictures, and also just still video in one place, which is great if you want to relax and enjoy. But besides that, I was going to say it's also a great headset to look at your 3D, or actually, excuse me, your 360 degree videos from any device, such as your GoPro cameras, such as the Max, and also the Insta360, which I will give a demonstration. It's a great way to look at your videos and relax, and also you can be there and be present in that situation. It's a great device for meditation too. There are wonderful apps on there. So let's take a look at what this device has. This is the front of the headset, which is a mobile phone behind that shield in front of your eyes. As far as I know, it usually comes with the straps already installed. This is the volume adjustment. This is a multi-function switch which also turns on and off your headset. This is a really nice view of the eyepieces. I will stress that you use proper lens cleaning cloth to clean those, because when you put the headset on, those eyepieces sometimes get dirty. Do not just clean them with anything. Clean them with a nice cloth. This is the little hand pointer that comes with it, which is your mouse. These are the two buttons on the controller. The arrow button is your back button, and the other button is your centering button, which allows you to center your menu of where you're looking as you hold that button down. This surface is much like a mouse pad on your laptop, and it also will click if you push down on it. This is another trigger that is on your controller that's activated using your index finger. This is the single AA battery that powers your controller. The top port of your headset is the USB jack, which charges and also can be used for data communication to connect it to your computer, and the bottom part is a headphone jack. So now let's look at the screen and let's see what it looks like. It's going to be hard to actually demonstrate this because the screen is actually in 360 mode, as I call it, or VR. As you look around, you are actually at the location, and these menus are actually have these wonderful backgrounds that you can use. So I'm going to use a system called casting, which allows you to put the screen on your mobile phone. And let's take a look at it. It's okay. It looks a lot better in true life using the headset, but let's see what it looks like to give you an idea of what you actually do. So I start the casting, and this is what the screen looks like. And that line you see is your controller. And you can move your controller around and do some selecting and push the trigger button with your index finger and it will choose it. So you can see it has navigate on the bottom, and the screen moves around because that is where my head is looking. So you can see I have Hulu, Netflix, and a whole assortment of different things you can do. And that is what the background looks like. So that is video from your library. You can store stuff on the phone, and that is the Insta360 app I found, which you use I think I aim it where you can see it has the search there. You can search and just start typing Insta, download the app, and you can click it. And there is a sample of the app starting. And you can see some of the videos from my device. Some I've downloaded and some you can watch directly from the device. And you can click on them and watch them. So I'm going to click the back button. And then you can quit the app and look at the background. You can see what starts. So that's basically what it has. And there's also a browser on there, but that's what it looks like. YouTube VR is one of the best I've found. And you can see Netflix and Hulu and different things it has. I wanted to slow down the video so you can see that background. That looks like you are present at the park. And three-dimensionally speaking, the dogs are around you and you can look behind you in all different directions. In fact, you can even look straight down and you'll see a dog laying down right below you. So that is a sample of what the background looks like. And also what the screen looks like. Like I said, there are videos in motion. You can ride a roller coaster if you really want to, or you can just use it to be on a hiking trail. I can't really post those because of copyright reasons, but you'll find them. And I recommend you go to YouTube VR and go through their library. And they have a bunch of videos that are 360. And you can choose the first one you'll want to choose for fun is just type in a keyword like hiking, relaxation, keywords like that. And you will be amazed at the videos you will find. There's some where you can walk with deer. It is amazing. Now here's one recommendation I make. On settings, you can go to and you can look on storage. Make sure to buy the 64 gig or the largest one because you cannot upgrade it. And I'm circling right there 64 gig because the videos and apps start to eat up a lot of memory. And you want to have enough memory for those, and that looks okay. And then I just discovered, as I will be posting on another video, that you can watch videos in high quality directly from your 360 camera device, and that works fantastic. I'm really enjoying the quality. I'm still working out some bugs with YouTube to find out how I can get that same quality. If you liked the video, feel free to give us a thumbs up as it helps us produce more videos on YouTube. And this is an excellent entry-level headset into VR. And you will enjoy it. And remember, most importantly, keep on learning.